In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple intro card in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional intro you can drop at the start of any video to instantly set the tone and reinforce your brand. First, open Canva. Head to canva.com and log in, or create a free account if you're new. A free account is more than enough for a simple intro, and everything we'll do today uses built-in tools that are easy to find. Next, start a new design. In the search bar at the top, type YouTube intro or video intro. Choosing one of these options automatically gives you a video-sized canvas. If you prefer full control, click to create a custom size and enter 1920 by 1080 pixels, which is the standard full HD video size. This ensures your intro fits perfectly without black bars when you add it to your edits later. Now, pick a template. You'll see lots of ready-made intros ranging from bold to minimal. Choose a simple one that matches your style, or start with a blank canvas if you want complete freedom. Templates are a great starting point because they include pre-styled text and layouts you can quickly adapt. Add your brand text. Replace any placeholder text with your name, your logo, or your channel title. Keep readability in mind. Use a font that reflects your personality but stays legible on both desktop and mobile screens. High contrast is key, so pair light text with a dark background or vice versa. Keep your message short. Your name or a tagline is enough. And align it cleanly so it looks intentional and balanced. Then, add graphics to reinforce your look. Use simple shapes, icons, or a subtle background image that supports your brand colors. You can search within Canva for icons that fit your niche and adjust their size, color, and transparency so they don't overpower the text. Aim for clean spacing and avoid clutter. A single accent shape or a soft texture often looks more polished than a busy collage. Keep it short. An intro that's 3 to 7 seconds works best. In Canva, set the page duration so your card displays within that window. Short and snappy improves viewer retention and keeps the focus on your content. When you're happy, download your intro. Click Share, then Download, and choose MP4 video. This format plays nicely with most editors and platforms. Save the file, give it a quick test playback, and you're ready to use it at the start of your videos.